Oh, look at those arrows. Pretty cool. Don't want to get those guys on camera, but that looks really cool. Really like all the neon at night.
Yeah.
9. Oh, going up. What floor do you want?
Do you want to pay first?
I think so, I'm not sure. Let's look out the window. Just had dinner at Chili's. Send it back to G. Schindler. Let's get some good views up here. Sorry.
Yeah, you're fine.
I just like taking out all the views.
Okay.
Oh, it's actually pretty nice to take in all the views from.
You up here?
Yeah, it's nice to take in all the views if you ask me. Wow, nice views. Give me a sec. You get a good view of that Reading Terminal Market neon down there. I think it's pretty cool that those arrows flash. Nice. Did some Christmas shopping at Ross today. Over there is City Hall. Where I'm focusing in right there. That chime was Life 360 on my phone. Thieves do more than window shop right there. Let's go back down now. These are at the 12th and Filbert Street, I believe. Parking garage. And they are Schindler MT, installed in, I believe, 2000. Which one will we get? Got the same one. I'm gonna send this back down and try and get the other one. There you go, there she goes. I believe that's the city hall clock chiming. Yep, we got this one. G. Schindler. Let's just turning off my beanie. It's better to ride these at night in my opinion. Oh, we're stopping on 3. Going down?
Yes, sir.
What floor do you want? G?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, that's where I'm going. I just like taking in all the views of the city from the top floor of parking garages.
Oh, you park all the way up the top?
No. I just like coming up to enjoy the view.
Yeah.
Which is pretty satisfying if you ask me. Have a good night.
You too, thank you.
You guys going up too?
Yeah.
What floor do you want?
3, please.
Thank you.
I just like taking in all the views, although I don't have my own car, from the top. I just like taking in the view.
It's nice. Good view here.
Yeah, especially from the top. You guys have a good night.
Thank you.
All right, going back up to 9. were gonna end this at 9 and try and do the other one at night. Here we are at 9 and that's it.